Hello, my name is Abdul Samad and this is my stopwatch project. I made this project using vanilla JavaScript and using CSS and HTML. So I've added really basic functionalities like start, stop and reset, and also the time display, and there is some interesting hover effect here. So um, this is it, and also I've added a spinning animation. So let's jump into the code. Let's see. So this is my basic HTML. Here it's nothing, just I've just added a circle, and also this is the place where all the numbering and all the counting goes on. Like here in this is the seconds counter and this is the millisecond counter, and here this is everything about it, and this are the buttons: start, stop, and reset button. And this is my script, and now this is my CSS part. Now um, just let me tell you about the circle animation first. So the circle animation, okay. So I've just taken the class and I used the display flex and everything to say align it. Um, I assigned some height and width, some border, the left side border. I've given it as some solid border, which is blue color. And border radius, of course, it was a square, and I gave it a border radius, and it became a circle. Now the margin bottom so that I could have some space between these two things. So and the animation part. So spin is the name of the animation, and the animation is here. So spin. It starts from 0 degrees. It ends at 360 degrees. So it is a complete circle rotation, complete 360-degree rotation, and it is infinite animation. So it's the reason it's not stopping. And let's come to the hover effects. So this is a very simple thing. I just took the button and also some given some dimensions to it, some background color and everything. And after it is before button and I used it, like I also gave some positions, like so that it should be there at the exact position where I wanted to. Then I've calculated the height and width of the hover, like how much it should be. So whatever it is, I have given the 4 pixels more than the height, 4 pixels more than the height of the actual button, and same as width. And I've given some border radius, so you can see there is some border radius across the hover. And I've given some blur, 5 pixels, and there is no opacity, because if I give some opacity, then you will be able to see the colors over here. Like for example, if I give 0.5, see, you will be able to see it like this. So I'm not given any opacity, it is 0. So now about the colors transformations. So it is a background, linear gradient. It rotates at 45-degree angle with this colors, all the colors mentioned here. And that's it. And about CSS, so about my JavaScript part, I've taken a function start. I've taken a function start, and in this, if the tense means the time here, if it starts and if it is less than 9, it should get to a 0 and some x value, some 0 and some x. I'm talking about this part and this part. If it is some number and if it is a 0, then it should display 0 and some number. And if it is more than 9, then it should display as it is. And if now come when it comes to the second, when the tens, when it is like when it reaches 99, it will add up the seconds. So now displaying seconds is like If the second is less than 99, then it should display 0 first and then 9. Sorry, if the second value is less than 10, then it should display 0 first, like this. Then okay, then it when it comes to if seconds are more than 9, then what? Then they will just display whatever the seconds are there. If it is 10 seconds, then it will directly print it. And these are the buttons events I've added, like functions, on click functions. um, so whenever I click on it, it starts the interval. It will set a new interval. If I start it, if I stop it, and if I reset it, it will clear the whole thing. If I stop it, it will just stop the interval, as you can see. Yeah, so this was all about the uh, stopwatch project. Thank you.